What is DNA? Imagine a giant recipe book. It helps build living things. Every page holds useful instructions. DNA is that book. DNA sits inside nearly every cell. Its instructions use for letters. They are A, T, C, and G. Their order matters. Letter order creates genes. Genes are like recipes. Each gene gives a specific instruction. Some help cells make proteins. Proteins do important work. A recipe can make a cake. DNA helps guide traits. It helps cells work. It helps organisms grow. It works through many cell jobs. DNA is not a magic blueprint. It is more like computer code. Cells read it, cells copy it, then they use instructions when needed. Skin and brain cells share DNA, yet they have different jobs. They read different recipes. DNA is life's instruction library. It passes information onward.